Part 2.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you can keep talking. It's all good.
The spiral wrap, wire spiral wrap, I have a couple boxes of that.
Clean up all these wires.
And anything that's not in the wiring harness, we'll put in that spiral wrap stuff.
That's for my lights. Some negative and positive there.
And then what, do they just go to your battery?
Yeah, positive, negative. Well, Steve helped me get the engine out. There's the engine there. There she is. We made this homemade stand here. Redneck, I know, but it works. Better than bending over and killing your back, eh? Yeah, we just killed our backs getting up there. But there she is. There's the new engine gonna go in it. Gonna clean up.
Now.
What's that?
You realize now it's gonna have the engine in it and be heavy as hell when we go to get it down.
That's why we just push it over and break that. That's why I didn't want to stir it up too much. But that's good. It's not going anywhere.
Use screws, so we just unscrew it. I think if we can probably just tip it forward.
Oh yeah.
It'll roll on it. Drive it off. Get it going fast enough.
And clean up the wiring. Maybe get some other stuff done to her before. If I'm not even here, you can come out and do the wiring stuff. You don't need me here for that.
You know what?
The manual's inside.
Yeah, but some of this stuff that we did.
Like, what do you mean?
Well, I guess I can tell you.
This here is for the lights.
Yeah. So
then there's a ground. The purple one I think is for my fan ground.
Well, hopefully. Then what we should look at is putting another thermostat switch in that. Maybe the one in that motor works. But if it doesn't, you need to get the switch so your fan works the way it's supposed to.
Yeah.
So you don't accidentally not turn it on when we're in the middle of a big ride and overheat it to the point it won't run.
Oh, it does have one. Sick.
Hmm?
It does have one of the new oil plug or dipstick.
Good. Yeah. And that's probably what one of those at the front is. At the front of the motor that plugs in is probably a thermostat that runs your cooling fan. I don't know 100% sure, but probably that's what one
Just look in the thing I printed off.
Yeah.
It's probably tell you right in there.
And put a thermostat in it so you don't have to have this wonky fan. Like I said.
This fan here was seizing up on me, eh? The one that I bought off Buddy.
Yeah.
Oops. Careful, it's still plugged in. But it's spinning fine now.
Yeah, it doesn't make a motor sport.
No. But I couldn't even turn it before. Anyways, that's an update video. There's the motor, the old motor. All the parts. I have to get this off too. Not sure how that comes out. There's a nut there, but how does this come off?
Which the...
See, there's a little nut here, Steve.
Yeah.
And then there's the nut in here that undoes it off here.
And then it punches through one way and comes out.
Yeah, once you get this out, it probably just comes right off.
No, but it'll shove that way.
Because that'll come out like that.
Yeah.
And then just punch this out. I don't know, we'll figure it out.
That part's not on the new motor?
No, you probably kept that.
Yeah, well, that's probably where they took it apart.
Yeah, there's right there. Just thread down.
Oh yeah, he just pulled the whole thing off.
I was trying to, but I didn't know how. Redneck stand there. She'll be running again one day. Alright.
See, this kind of stuff here is that's just asking for trouble.
I don't know how else to.
Oh, you should have put it in even some of that clear tube or something. and you know, pop the little hole and fasten it good, because going through the bush.
Oh, I know.
You know, the first time
Yeah.
you go through the bush.
Like I said, now that it's this far stripped, I'm gonna, like, you and I can clean up like wiring and whatnot. There she is on a stand. Motor's out. Didn't take us that long to get the motor out.
Where's your winch in there so damn crooked?
Because it's only got one bolt holding it on each side. I don't know.
Well,
Anyways, let's call her a night.
yeah.
Thank you.